Okay folks, it's Mitch again. I'm back. I told you I would come back and let you see my first run test of this to see if it actually does separate red blood cells from the plasma. So I have my first specimen in there right now. It's been spinning for about 5 minutes, and I've already pricked my finger and I've already filled the capillary tube with blood. I didn't think you would want to see that particularly, and I didn't know how I was going to video it, because it kind of takes two hands to draw your own blood. But I've got it in there, and it's been centrifuging it's been spinning for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the power off here and let it wind down. You see, I still have my Q-tip in there as kind of a counterbalance. And there's the microcapillary tube. See how tiny it is. And we'll take it out and see if there's a separation took place. And aha. So you see the red portion, and you see the clear portion? It did. It separated it. Did exactly what I wanted it to do. So now I just measure the entire column of the fluid, and then I divide that into the length of the column of red blood cells. And then I have my hematocrit number. So it does work. So thanks for watching. Happy to entertain any comments or questions. Again, just be respectful. And God bless.